6:47 right now, still waking up to a cool day here in April. I just want to say the allergies I've been dealing, I have a sinus infection. If I sound wonky this morning, put that out there for the world to know. But is the pollen still bad?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
It's still very bad. You know, I went to get my car washed on Friday, Megan, and the next day, Saturday, I went to go drive somewhere, and the pollen was just covering it again. So the allergies are just really bad right now. I haven't had my sinus infection yet. I'm sure it's coming at some point. But yeah, the pollen's going to be a problem for the next few days. Well, the next few months, really. And as we look at the Wave 31 Skycam network this morning, hey, at least we have some sunshine to talk about on this Monday. It is chilly out there. We're in the upper 30s to lower 40s, depending on where you are. Look how quickly we warm up on your day planner. 68 by noon today. Our forecast highs are in the mid 70s, and you'll see those clouds really start to filter in later on this afternoon, starting around that 3 or 4 o'clock time frame. But we will stay dry for today. No problems on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. If you have any chores outside, get them done today. I'm not sure if you'll have much better weather to get those chores done other than today. By Tuesday and Wednesday, we're tracking two separate systems, one of which brings the threat for heavy rain, another severe weather. Those again on Tuesday and Wednesday, and we'll start to dry out some on Thursday, but then the cooler temperatures start to settle back in. So let's talk about our Tuesday system first. Notice this afternoon, just fine other than those clouds moving in. By this time tomorrow morning, though, you start to see some of that heavier rain arriving in our Shoals counties, and that heavy rain overspreads all of North Alabama by 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. There could be some embedded thunderstorms within this broader shield of rain, but the overall severe weather risk tomorrow is low. You'll notice that heavy rain moves out around midday, and we'll have to watch closely for any thunderstorms that try to redevelop tomorrow afternoon. That's not a guarantee. I think the atmosphere will be pretty worked over after the morning rain, but if any storms do redevelop, we'll have that threat for some gusty winds. Now we turn our attention to Wednesday. Again, back-to-back systems here. For Wednesday in particular, that's where our severe weather potential is at its highest this week. We're going to have a line of severe storms roll through. We'll see those damaging wind gusts around 60 to 70 miles per hour, and we'll have that chance for a few spin-up tornadoes within that line of storms as well. So let me walk you through future radar for that system in particular. I will say there's still some uncertainties with regards to the exact timing of this severe threat on Wednesday, but this looks like an afternoon and evening setup. So here we go. This is noon on Wednesday. You see that line of severe storms to our north and west. It arrives, according to this particular data source, in the 3 to 4 o'clock time frame. Again, we'll start to fine-tune those details as far as timing is concerned today, and then I think by tomorrow morning I'll be able to give you an exact arrival times for these severe storms Wednesday. But you get the idea. We'll have a line of severe storms roll through with that damaging wind and tornado potential. The greatest risk for severe weather on Wednesday will be in our eastern counties, so Jackson, Marshall, DeKalb, maybe even here in Madison County too. That's where that level 3 risk is going to affect for that severe weather potential on Wednesday, and we'll start to calm things down just a little bit by Wednesday night. So a lot to talk about over the next couple of days. Just stay weather aware. Download our Wave 31 Storm Tracker weather app to get live radar, as well as any watches and warnings as they are issued over the next couple of days. And I mentioned that cool down by the second half of this week. Look at Friday in particular, 55, 54 on Saturday with a few sprinkles around. And I think there's a decent chance, Megan, we might have a late season frost by Saturday morning.
I hear that.
Yep.